Say cheese.
No. That's cheaper.
Want to do another snow angel?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
So lay down in the snow and do it.
No.
No? Hey,
Do you need help?
Not much. What are you doing? I'm playing in the snow with Michaela. Yeah. Making snow angels and stuff. I'll call you later. But make another snow angel.
Do you want to?
Nope.
Nope. Daddy will make one. Ready? I'll make another big one. Oh? What? I'm not sure. I'll call you later. I'm playing with... Alright, I gotta go. I'm playing with the kids. Yep, bye. Ready? Michaela, wanna make a snow angel with Daddy?
You could both do one.
Ready?
Want to lay down next to Daddy?
No.
Come here, ready? Here we go. Here's how it goes.
Do your legs too. Get your legs going. Let's see it.
Cool! Look at Daddy's big one.
Snowman.
Snow angel.
A sofa.
Okay, say bye to the camera.
Say bye, camera.
Bye, Kara.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See ya.